Hi guys, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and this is Vlogmas Day, I don't know, 5 maybe. And in this video I'll be taking you along in my kitchen, and then you'll see all the things, how it is now, and then in 2020 I'll go through and maybe say some of the things that I'll do to revamp the space come 2020. This is going to be part of a series of redecorating, just redesign, and hopefully you can get some inspiration from what I'm doing, whether you're in a home, in an apartment, mobile home, manufactured home, whatever your home is. Hopefully you can take something away from what I'm doing and apply it to your space. So what I'm going to do now is turn you around and take you along into the kitchen. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share the video so that we can get our numbers up and have a great channel. I appreciate you coming along, and I'll spin you around. Alright guys, this is the kitchen, and the kitchen is just kind of like right around the corner from the front entry. That's the pantry, nothing special there. It needs more shelving. When we do the kitchen, we'll also do the pantry as well. So this is the kitchen. Here's my I love chi bag. Also, it could be doubled as I love shy because I am from the metro area, Chicago. And here is a little cupboard I have here with my tea set and that I got. Take you closer to that tea set. And then these mugs here I got from old time pottery. I love that. You'll see that in a different vignette, and that's some extra stuff down there. This little cabinet may stay or may not stay when I revamp. As you can see, the floor needs to be changed. This is 1970s floor, so we'll change that out. Here's my little coffee station, nothing special there. My stove, the eyes need to be changed, and the rings around there need to be changed, which we'll do. I try to do that every 6 months or so. And then these are just my condiments and whatnot. Range hood, the cabinets. The cabinet color is called Champagne Pearl, I believe, by Sherman Williams. Again, grapes, I love grapes, so that little wall vignette there. And of course, sink. Now the countertops I should say, were avocado green, and I painted them black. And this black is a high heat black for appliances, and it's been probably 10 years or so, and you can see how it's chipped and nicked. So I'll take you along the journey of sanding this down and repainting it again after 10 years. I guess it didn't do too bad. It was a gloss high heat paint that I used for the countertops. So we'll take you along that journey and getting that put together. New drawer pulls will happen. These are the lower cabinets. And you can see some areas are not as bad as others, but I think there you can see the avocado green peeking through right there on the countertop. And helps with negativity out of your space, and you do it in the corners of your home to really get evil spirits and negativity out of your space. Sometimes when you walk in a room and there's this heaviness that you feel, sometimes it is something evil lurking or negativity lurking in the corners of your home, and smudging white sage, burning white sage, and smudging it around your home helps relieve and get the negativity out of your home, if that's something you believe in. This is microwave and my, of course, refrigerator. Nothing fancy there. Just another quick look. I need a new light fixture, but the globe on that thing broke, so I need to put up a new light fixture. And one side is like an alabaster, and the other side of the appliances are white. That's just the way the apartment came, so I kind of rolled with it. So again, cook span around, nothing fancy in the kitchen, but we're gonna update it. Eventually, I'm also gonna get rid of all my plastic and either use stoneware or glass or metal or wooden things in the kitchen. Getting rid of all non-stick cookware and going back to cast iron and stoneware. With the cast iron, when you cook your food in cast iron, it transfers the iron into your food, and of course we all need iron, so that's one of the reasons why I'm transferring back over to cast iron. I like to purchase my cast iron unseasoned and season it myself, so I know what's being put on the seasoning for my cast iron. So when that time comes, I'll show you guys how to do that. And again, this is the kitchen, and we're going to be revamping this in 2020. So guys, I may do a Christmas coffee, hot chocolate, whatever station coming up soon. I know Christmas is almost here and everybody's done with their decorating, but I'm going to do it for the last minute people who need some inspiration and catch the last minute sales. So there it is. And guys, thank you for coming along, and please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.